How to uninstall apps on Windows 11. For that purpose, you can simply head over to the search button and search on uninstall or search up for installed apps. This is one way to do it. The other way that you can do it with is by heading over to the control panel. Let's do it both ways. We're going to click on the installed apps and they're going to open and lead us to the app section of the settings. So right here, what you're going to do is you are going to select the specific app that you want to delete. Let's just say I want to uninstall CapCut right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click right here onto these three dots and click on uninstall. This app and its related information, everything related to it is going to be uninstalled. So they're going to have a user account control where you're gonna have to select if you want to uninstall this app or no. Just click on yes, and within seconds you are going to be uninstalling that app. It took me just basically 2-3 seconds to just uninstall this app. Another way to uninstall it is by going over to the control panel. Let me open the control panel right here, and here you're going to head over to the program section and click on uninstall an app. You're going to have a list of different apps just like you did into the settings. And from here, I am going to delete Canva off of my app. So I'm going to right click on it and click on uninstall. Once again, the prompt is going to take confirmation to see if I really want to uninstall the app. I'm going to click on OK. And then click on, I think Canva is running somewhere around in the background. But yeah, that is how you can uninstall an app by 2 ways on Windows 11.